Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 10 Standard Subject Mathematics.
We are going to learn about example 6. Champa went to a sale to purchase some pants and skirts. When her friends asked her how many of each she had bought, she answered, "The number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. Also, the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. Help her friends to find how many pants and skirts Champa bought." Here, Champa வந்து ஒரு சேலுக்கு போகிறா. அங்கே போய் என்ன பண்ணுறான்னா பேண்ட்ஸும் ஸ்கர்ட்ஸும் வாங்குறா, பர்ச்சேஸ் பண்ணுறா. when her friends asked her, அவள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து அவட்ட கேட்காங்க, எத்தனை என்ன வாங்கியிருக்க, எத்தனை பேண்ட் வாங்கியிருக்க, எத்தனை ஸ்கர்ட் வாங்கியிருக்கேன்னு கேட்குறாங்க. அதுக்கு in this example we have to form the pair of equation. In the previous example the equations are given, but here you have to find out the equation and then you have to solve the question. The number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. That means you have to choose the number of skirts be x and the number of pants be y. The number of skirts is 2 less than twice the number of pants. You have to choose the number of skirts is x and the number of pants is y. Therefore, you have to form the first equation. Number of skirts is x. Therefore, x is means you have to put equal to sign. 2 less than twice the number of pants purchased. The number of pants be y. That twice the number of pants be means you have to put 2y. 2 less than means minus 2. Therefore, the first equation is x is equal to 2y minus 2. X is equal to 2y minus 2. And then also the number of skirts is 4 less than 4 times the number of pants purchased. The number of skirts is, therefore here also x is equal to 4 less than 4 times the number of pants. 4 times means 4y. Therefore 4y minus 4. The second equation is x is equal to 4y minus 4. Here we have get two equations and then you have to solve the answer. Now let the number of skirts be x and the number of pants be y. According to the first condition, number of skirts is x. Number of skirts is means you have to put equal to sign. Therefore, x is equal to twice the number of pants. Twice the number of pants means 2y less than 2. So, you have to put the minus sign and then 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2y minus 2. This is considered as a first equation. And then, according to the second condition, the equation becomes as number of skirts is, therefore x is equal to 4 times the number of pants, therefore 4y less than 4. Therefore you have to put the minus sign. Therefore x equal to 4y minus 4. This is considered as the equation 2. Now you have to take the two equations and solve them. Now put x equal to 0 in first equation. That is x equal to 0. That is equal to, in the first equation is x equal to 2y minus 2. Therefore 2y minus 2. While transposing, minus 2 becomes as plus 2. That is equal to 2 is equal to 2y. Therefore, 2 by 2 is equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 1. Therefore, the point is 0, 1. And then put x equal to 1 in equation 1. Therefore, x 0, 1. And then put x equal to 1 in equation 1. Therefore, x equal to 2y minus 2. Therefore, 1 is equal to 2y minus 2. Then 1 minus 2 becomes as plus 2. That is equal to 2y. 3 is equal to 2y. Therefore, y is 3 by 2 is equal to y. Here we get a fraction. Therefore, we have to, it is little hard to plot the graph. So, you have to choose another value. That is, now put x equal to 2 in equation 1. Therefore, 2 is equal to 2y minus 2. Minus 2 becomes as plus 2. Therefore, 2 plus 2 is equal to 2y. 2 plus 2 means we get 4 is equal to 2y. While transposing 2, it becomes as division. Therefore, 4 by 2 is equal to y. 4 by 2 is equal to 2. That is equal to y. Now, put, therefore, the point is 2, 2. Now, put x equal to 4 in equation 1. 4 in equation 1. Therefore, 4 is equal to 2y minus 2. While transposing, this 2 becomes as plus. Therefore, it becomes as plus 2. Therefore, 4 plus 2 is equal to 2y. 4 plus 2 means we get 6 is equal to 2y. While transposing, this 2 becomes as a division. Therefore, 6 by 2 is equal to 3. That is 6 by 2 means we get 3. Therefore, y is equal to 3. Therefore, the point is 4, 3. Now, we have to put a box like this. X, y. First point is 0, 1. Second point is 2, 2. And then 4, 3. Now, you have to take the second equation. Which one is the second equation? X equal to 4y minus 4 is the second equation. Here you have to take any value for x. Now, put x equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is equal to 4y minus 4. While transposing, minus 4 becomes as plus 4. Therefore, 4 is equal to 4y. And then, here 4 becomes as a division. Therefore, 4 by 4 means 1. That is equal to y. Therefore, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Therefore, the point is 0, 1. Put x equal to 1 in equation 2. Therefore, 1 is equal to 4y. Now, put x equal to 4 in equation 2. Therefore, 4 is equal to 4y minus 4 while transposing equation 2. Therefore, 4 is equal to 4y minus 4. While transposing, this minus 4 becomes as plus 4. Therefore, 4 plus 4 is equal to 4y. 4 plus 4 means 8 is equal to 4y. Here 4 becomes as multiplication, while transposing this it becomes as a division. Therefore 8 by 4 means y. 8 by 4 means we get 2. Therefore y is equal to 2. Therefore the point is 4 comma 2. Again I have to put another value for x. Here I have to put x equal to 8 in equation 2. Therefore 8 is equal to 4y minus 4. 8 minus 4 becomes as plus 4 is equal to 4y. 8 plus 4 means 12 is equal to 4y. While transposing 4 becomes as a division is equal to y. 12 by 4 means we get 3. Therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore the point is 8 comma 3. Now we have to put in the boxes x, y. The first point is 0 comma 1 and the second point is 4 comma 2 and the third point is 8 comma 3. Now we have to plot the points on the graph. Here we plot the points on the graph. We get the graph like this. The first equation is x equal to 2y minus 2. The points are 0 comma 1 and the second point is 2 comma 2 and the third point is 4 comma 3. In the second equation x equal to 4y minus 4. The points are 0 comma 1 and the second point is 4 comma 2 and the third point is 8 comma 3. Both of the lines intersect at 0 comma 1. Both of the lines intersect at the point 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. That is x equal to 0 and then y is equal to 1. That is here we can take we take the number of skirts. That is number of skirts means we have to take that as x. Therefore the number of skirt is 0 and the number of pant is 1. அதாவது அப்போ அவன் number of skirt எடுக்கலை, pant எத்தனை எடுத்திருக்கானா 1 எடுத்திருக்கிறா. The intersecting point is 0 comma 1. That is x equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. That is the number of skirt is 0 and the number of pant is 1. Now home assignment of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. Second one, draw the graphs of the equations x minus y plus 1 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region.